Hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. So this is Maths 4, right? Grade 4.
Right. Rajan sir will be there.
Yes, he'll be there. Yeah.
Okay.
Session.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So children, let me quickly tell you about the flow of the session, right? So first of all, you will get to know your mentor. Then you'll see a short PPT, and then you will see the virtual tour of dashboard, okay? And after that, there will be a question and answer round where you can ask your doubt if you have any, and then the actual demo will start, okay? Understood? All right, very good. So let me tell you that we have with us Neeti ma'am. You know, she's subject matter expert of maths. She's maths expert. How many of you find maths difficult? Raise your hand. Maths is difficult. Okay, Krisha Shambhavi. All right. And see, and Kyra also. Okay. And see, Neeti ma'am finds it very easy and very fun learning. So she'll make maths fun learning for you. Okay. So I'm sure it is going to be, all the sessions are going to be fun filled and the journey is going to be very fun filled. Okay. All right. So she loves to interact with kids like you. So I'll not speak much more and I'll ask Neeti ma'am to speak to you now. All over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. Good evening, kids. How are you? Can show me a thumbs up. Okay. Yes, my name is Neeti, and I will be taking your mathematics sessions. All right. I'll make mathematics easy and interesting for you. That's my promise. But you have to make your promise that you will be working hard along with me. You will be doing the practice sheets, whatever being assigned to you, and you will be participating in the test also. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Jishnu, for showing the thumbs up. So I can feel the energy and the vibes that everybody is ready to learn, right? So I will be taking your classes. All right. And if you have any problem, you can always write in the chat box, or you can always communicate to me, right? All right. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, children, allow me to share my screen in a short while. Just a moment. And we are good to go. Okay. I hope my screen is visible to each one of you. Is it, Rajan sir?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. So a very warm welcome to each one of you to the demo and interaction program for class 4 mathematics batch 3. So as you might already be aware that Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. And School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses that really matter at this point of time in your life, which include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math and coding. Here you get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE and IB classes for grades 2 to 12. One-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, PRMO. So you can see on the screen our international rank holders for the year 2022-23 and for the year 2021-22. These are all bright kids like you, right? Okay. So the classes are actually going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor. You get 3 sessions per week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So that means that 35 minutes of class with 5 minutes of break in between, followed by again 35 minutes of class. So the sessions include a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You get reading material and practice questions, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. You also get access to Olympiad Success platform so that you can practice topic-wise mock tests for both maths and reasoning as well as logical reasoning. Now, the syllabus is available at this particular link and fees can be paid at this particular link. Don't worry. All the important and relevant links have been pasted in the chat box and will again be pasted by Rajan sir. The fee for this course is 8,925 rupees and it is going to be a 40 session course. The fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success platform for mathematics and logical reasoning. So all that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, headphones for better audio clarity, and a laptop or a desktop with camera because we do not allow students without video in the class, right? As you're already aware that preparation for Olympiad exams is slightly tougher than your regular school curriculum. So you need to spend at least 2 hours every day to cope up with the curriculum. And of course, parental support is required at the back end to check answers, reiterate concepts and all. Now, as you might already be aware that in 2022-23 Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,850 schools across India and abroad. And these students hail from 35 plus countries. Okay, the live classes for this particular batch begins from Wednesday, 17 May 2023. That's all from my side. Now I would request Rajan sir to take you through a virtual tour of the dashboard of Olympiad Success. All over to you, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful presentation. Let me share my screen. So I hope students, my screen is visible. So this is the website of Olympiad Success. I'm just showing you how you can access the content. So you need to click on my account. And once you enroll with us, we will share the credentials with you. And with that credential, you can log in and you can access the content. Let me log in with my credential for now. So this is the student profile and all content you will find here in the live classes. What you need to do, you need to choose a subject first, that is mathematics in our case. Then you need to select a topic. Let me select decimals. So for each and every topic, you will find reading material, practice question and answer key here. Okay, just click on reading material. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the reading material file we have. Okay, for the topic decimal. So similarly for each and every chapter, you will find reading material here. Also practice question and answer key. Let me show you practice question also, how it looks like. So this is a set of practice question for topic decimal. Okay. Answer keys are also available. Other than that, you can check schedule also here, like in which session, which topic we are going to cover. Let me show you. Like in session 1, we are going to cover numeral, number name and number sense. And in session 2, we are going to go with this topic only. In session 3, we will discuss Roman numeral and then we will have a test discussion. So after each and every chapter, there will be a test discussion. Okay. We will share a mock test with you. You need to attempt that mock test and that we will discuss in the classes. In the end, we have super classes. Let me show you. So in this super classes, what we are going to do, like Monica mentioned in her presentation also, we will discuss previous year Olympiad questions. Okay. So after completing your curriculum, we have some super classes. In those super classes, we will discuss all previous year Olympiad papers. Okay. Now, other than that, you can also check holiday calendar here, like on which holidays you don't have the classes. And with this course, you will also get access to the topic-wise mock test series for both logical reasoning as well for mathematics. Where you can access here in the worksheets. Let me show you. You need to choose a subject first, that is mathematics. So you can access for logical reasoning also here. You need to click on take exam and just click on start worksheet and choose the correct option, whatever it is. Then just click on next for the next question. And once you complete it, just click on finish to submit. So this you can access for logical reasoning as well, okay, with this course. So this is a result, like total question time taken by student, your score, how many questions attempted, correct answer and wrong answer. Later on also, if you want to check your performance, you can check here in the performance tab. Let me show you. Just choose a subject, then just click on detailed result view and you can check all the answers, okay? The correct answer, click on review and here you can check the correct answer and the answer marked by a student. Okay, So this is all about the dashboard, students. Now, if anyone have any doubt or query, you can ask us in the chat box. Do anyone have any doubt or query?
Nice to know, Aditya, that you have been an international topper. Okay, congratulations. Anybody has a doubt? Please feel free to ask in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer.
Any doubt, any query, students? No? Okay, let me ask some questions then. So can you tell me the days on which you have in the classes? You can type in the chat box. Monica ma'am shared in her presentation the days of the classes. Just name right. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Any other answer? Is it correct? Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yes, correct. The days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And what are the class timings? 8 to 9:15. 8 to 9. No, it is not 8 to 9. It is 8 to 9:15 p.m. Correct. The timing is 8 to 9:15 p.m. So we having a class of 75 minutes duration. Okay, students, do anyone have any doubt, query, or anything? Or like, shall we start with the session? No? Okay, so shall we start then? Okay. Okay, let's start the session then. So over to you, Neeti ma'am.
All right, kids. So now I'm taking a very interesting topic today. So I would like you to be ready with your pen, pencils, and a notebook, so that if I ask you any questions, you would be able to answer. Or if you want to note down some points, you can, right? So I am just sharing the screen with you. All right. So here is the. Let me share it again. Okay. So how many of you know that calendar? Calendar. Everybody know what is calendar? Show me a thumbs up. Dripta. Yes, I can see. Very good. So calendar is a very important topic. Okay. It is one of the part that you need to learn in your daily life also. Calendar reading, knowing the dates, days, it's very important, right? Just like clock, we measure hours, minutes. In calendar, we measure years, months, weeks, days. Am I correct? Yes. Tripta, I think you are sitting in a dark, so you won't be able to see anything and I won't be able to see you. So please switch on the lights so that I can also see you and you can also see correctly. Right. All right. So today we are going to start this topic, calendar. So have you heard about these words? Time, second, minute, hour, and day? Yes, then thumbs up. No, then thumbs down. These will be the two sign actions that we will be using today, for today. Otherwise, when you will be unmuted, you can always say yes and no today. All right. Thank you so much. So yes, these are, you can say that, keywords related to time, related to clock, related to calendar. So these are very important terms you should know. Time. Now time is measured in two things. Like first is clock. We can see the time in clock also, and we can measure the time through calendar also, right? In calendar, we can say that this is a tool, or you can say that a system in which you can see the passage of time. How many days have gone, when you will be having your summer vacations, till which date you will be having your summer vacations, right? So these are all you can study in calendar. Have you seen the calendar? Have you seen the calendar? Calendar is month wise, right? So now see, This is a calendar. You can see that this is the calendar. How many of you know this is the calendar? Lovely. This is the calendar. You can see that on the top, we always write the month name. So now it's May. So we can write May, and then we can write which year it is. And then we will mention the 7 days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Everybody know 1 week has 7 days. So we will make these days column, and then we'll start writing the dates inside this. And this is how we will make our calendar. Okay. Now I have already told you the days of the week. There are 7 days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So from Monday to Friday, all the days are considered as weekdays, and Saturday, Sundays are considered as weekends, right? You also have your holidays at weekends, right? You go for some party or some vacations on these weekends. So now what is basically a day? If I ask you in simple term, what is a day? Now day is also considered as a time only. This is a time. This is a passage of time. So now what is happening when 1 day is passing? This means the earth is completing one rotation on its axis. You know rotation and revolution, you must have studied in your social science. Yes, very good. I can see a lot of hands raised. So rotation is when the earth is rotating on the axis, and revolution means when it is rotating around the sun. So now whenever it is completing one rotation on the axis, it makes 1 day. Okay, 1 day. And 1 day usually have 24 hours. Now, hours is the unit. You should know that hours is the unit to measure time. I have already told you 1 week has 7 days. So 1 week has 7 days. This also you know. The first day of the week is Monday, not Sunday. Most of you are confused. Monday is the first day. Saturday, Sundays will come as a weekends. Okay, and this cycle keeps on repeating. This happens, Jasleen. You know that this cycle keeps on repeating? Yes, very good. Okay, now we'll talk about a year. Now we'll not talk about a day. Now let's talk about a year. Now everybody know that 1 year has 12 months, and everybody must be knowing the months also. So I will be now counting the months, and you will just repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. My fingers are over. Okay, I'll start again. November and December. Very good. So how many are you having birthday in May? Anybody who is having birthday in this month? You can write it in the chat box. I should also wish you happy birthday in the coming month, so that I should note it down. Yes, yes. Anybody's birthday in the month May? No one. Okay, fine. So I will be asking you your birthdays every month. Okay. So in June now, whenever is your birthday, you can tell me. Okay. Now, a month has 4 to 5 weeks. Why we are taking 4 to 5 weeks? Why we are taking 4 to 5 weeks? Because sometimes we have 4 weeks, and sometimes we have more than 4 weeks. Some days are extra. So now let me tell you how it is happening and what is happening here. As you know that 1 week has 7 days. This is very clear to everyone. 2 weeks means 2 multiply 7, 14 days. This is also clear. 3 weeks means 7 multiply 3, that will give 21 days. 4 weeks means 28 days, 7 multiply 4 now. But you know that we have January, February, March, April, and let's count till May. I'm just taking till May, although I'll be explaining you in the next slide till December also. You know that January has 31 days. February has 28 days if it is not a leap year. March again has 31 days. April has 30 days and May has, oh, wait, 31 days. Wait, my pen. Okay. So now you know that. Now out of these 31 days, 28 days gone. Okay. And we will take it as 4 weeks. Because 4 weeks is giving us 28 days. But how many days will be left here? 31 minus 28, 3 days are left. Right? 3 days are left. That will come in the 5th week. Right or not? 3 days, they will come in the 5th week, right? Although we do not have a full entire 5th week, but we enter into the 5th week. So that is why few months have 4 weeks like this. This has entire 4 weeks, but this has 4 weeks. Wait, let me put my pen. 4 weeks and 3 days extra. Okay, similarly, March again, we have 4 weeks and 3 days extra. And in 30, we have 4 weeks and 2 days extra. And in again, May, we have 4 weeks and 3 days extra, which are coming, which are making 5th week. That is why we always say that a month has 4 to 5 weeks. Sometimes it has 4 weeks. Sometimes it enters the 5th week with 2 days or 3 days. Now, this is the month I've already told you. These are the months. Now see, these are the name of the months. And these are the days and these are the short forms. I think this is everyone is aware of this thing, right? You can quickly read the months. If I ask you which is the 8th month of the year, 8th month of the year, write it down in the chat box. 8th month of the year. You can write the short form also. Okay, very good. If I ask you 11th month of the year, 11th, November, very good. If I ask you May is which month, which number? May comes where? 5th month, very good, lovely. So that means now if some fill in the blanks or some kind of questions will be asked that which month is 5th, you can easily write. Or if somebody asks you what is the number of August, you can write that it is the 8th month. Okay, now can you see the last line here? This is the last line. Now this we will be able to calculate. Now this line will give us the total number of days in year. Total number of days in year. How we are calculating? See, first of all, quickly count how many months have 31 days. Quickly count how many months have 31 days. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have multiplied 7 and 31. Okay, because 31 is repeating 7 times. Now see how many months have 30 days? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have multiplied 4 by 30. And we have only 1 month with 28 days. So when we add all this, we will get 365 days. Is it clear to everyone how we have calculated 365 days? 31 months, 31 days are coming in 7 months. 30 days are coming in 4 months. And 28 day is coming only in 1 month. But if it is a leap year comes after every 4 years. Everybody know that. But if it is a leap year, the February will have 29 days. Right? So entire year will be extended with 1 more extra day. So now the days will become 366. So this is the total number of days in leap year. Correct? Now, these are some facts that you should know. So I'm quickly reading it. And if you want to take a screenshot, you can take. If you want to listen, you can listen. So these are 365 days in a year that I have already explained you. Every 4th year becomes a leap year, and that makes an extra day which is adjusted in the month of February, and that is called a leap year, and leap year has 366 days, right? Now that extra day is added in the February month, that makes 28 to 29, and these are some years that are leap years. Now, how do you know that whether a year is a leap year or not? Step 1, you would always divide that year with 4. Yes, I know a lot of you are raising hand. It's a very simple question. You must be knowing it. I know. But let me complete it. Okay. And you can write it in the chat box. I would, yes, be 365 and yes. I'm reading your chats also. So now, if the year is divisible by 4, divisible means in remainder 0. Nothing should be there in the remainder. That means that year is a leap year. Okay. And if the year ends in 100, like 1900, 1800, it will not be a leap year unless it is divisible by 400. So in that case, you have to see whether the number is divisible by 400 or not. Now let us see this. Now, if I took 1976, okay. Now quickly divide 1976 and let me know whether it is a leap year or not. Check it, although it is written, but you can check this. Quickly check it. 1976 is divisible by 4. If it is yes, show me thumbs up. That's why I've asked you to keep copy pencils ready with you, because I can be asking you any question, right? So you can show me thumbs up if it is divisible. I'm just giving you 1 minute. Sabila, Dev, Sanvi, any one of you can tell me. Okay, Aditya is saying yes. Yes, Aditya, correct. It is a leap year. Okay, now check 2000 is a leap year. Yes, it is also a leap year. Yes, it is also a leap year. And now check 1900. Now this is ending with 400. So you can divide it by 400. So it is not a leap year if you will divide. Now in this case, if you have to find out the number of weeks in a leap year, okay, so number of weeks, we always say that 1 year has approximately 52 weeks, approximately, because there is always few extra days. Okay, now let's divide 365 by 7. You know that in one normal year, we have 365 days. So if we divide this 365 days by 7, see, you will get 52 as a quotient and you will get 1 as a remainder. Quickly check this. Quickly check it out. If you divide 365 by 7, see what you are going to get. Yes, you will get 52 weeks and 1 extra day. So that means 52 weeks and 1 extra day. But in case of leap year, you will get 52 weeks and 2 extra days. Right? You will get 2 days extra. In case of leap year, when you have 366 days. So this much is clear. Everybody is clear? Okay. Let me move to the next now. Now, in this, we will just quickly see the important things that we have just learned so that you can pen down or you can remember it. 7 days makes 1 week. 1 year has 365 days. Why we are using about? Because we have 1 extra day or 2 extra day, right? So we will write about 52 weeks we will have in a year. Then 360 days, 66 days makes 1 leap year. Okay. This is clear to everyone. Now 1 year has 12 months. About, again see about, because we have 2 or 3 days extra in a week. Dev Bhatia, are you looking at, okay, your face is, your camera is somewhere else. Okay. Now this is interesting thing. I think few of you must be knowing it and few of there will be, that's a new concept for few. You know 1 decade? 1 decade makes 10 years. So 10 years when completed, that means you have completed 1 decade. And when you have completed 100 years, That makes 1 century. And 1,000 years make 1 millennium. Yes. Kyra is very excited when I say millennium. Yes, Kyra, I can see that. Very nice. I love the smile of kids. Okay, so keep smiling. Mathematics is very fun. I'll not make the class boring. I'll be keeping it more interactive, funful. Okay. All right. So we call the years from 1900 to 1999 the 20th century. So I belong to 20th century and you are born in this century. So you belongs to 21st century. So I am 20th century and you belongs to 21st century. Oh my God. A huge difference. Okay. Now the question begins. Now I need to test your knowledge. Okay, I will see whether you can do it, the questions or not, or although I will be giving you the help, I will be solving the questions, but I want your participation also. Okay, is that fine? First question, I will be giving the solution. Okay, and then other questions I will be doing along with you. So now if you say that 2007, you can see the calendar here, 2007 April calendar, and they are saying that 12th of April, this is 12th of April, and this is Thursday, right? Now they are asking you, what was the day on 30th April 2007? Okay, 30th April 2007. A very simple way is just read the calendar, see the line. This is 30 and this is coming in the day of Monday. So my answer will be Monday. Correct? Is it easy? It was very easy because the calendar is given to you, right? Now, one thing I need to tell you that whenever we are, let's say if I have to ask you that 12th April is Thursday. So on which day, on which date next Thursday will fall? So without watching the calendar, the best thing you can do is always add 7 to the date. So 12 plus 7 will give you 19. So next Thursday will fall on 19. So for example, if I ask you today is Wednesday and today is 4th. So what will be the date on the next Wednesday? So again, you will do plus 7. So next Wednesday is 11. So now calculate today's date. So today is 10th of May, right? So 10th of May and today is Wednesday. So what will be next Wednesday? Which date will be next Wednesday? Quickly tell me the answer in the chat box. Yes, plus 7. So that means 17th May. Correct. Absolutely correct. So have you understood how to find the next day, same day? The dates for the next day? You will always add plus 7. That's it. Okay. Now this is a question. Let's understand it. Anushka's grandmother went to USA for a vacation. So summer vacations are approaching. You must be going somewhere, right? So now Anushka grandmother also visited, went to USA. USA means United States of America. On 4th of June 2010. Okay, that was long time back, right? Now she came back on 26th August 2010. So how long was her vacation? So in such cases, you have to make the slabs month-wise, like how many months she has spent in USA. So if I take in a broad category, she has spent June, then July, and then August. But the dates are little different. In June, she has started her vacation on 4th of June. July entire month she was in USA, and August 26, she came back. She came back on 26th August 2010. So if I want to calculate how many days for the month of June, she was in USA. So June has 30 days. So if I subtract 30 minus 4, because 4th she has, oh wait, because for 4th she has left for the Vacation. So 30 minus 4 will give me 26. But this will not include my 4th day. So I will add 1 to it. That makes 27 days, right? So for the month of June, she was in USA for 27 days, including this 4th. Okay, because she has left for 4th. Now, entire July, she was in USA. So that makes 31 days, right? Now for August, she came back on 26th August 2010. So she came back on 26th. So that means till 26 she is in USA only. So now you add all these days and find the answer. Let me erase it and then I'll give you the final answer. Okay, this one is the final answer. Okay, excluding 26th August. This is what I was about to ask you. She came back on 26. She came back on 26. So that means till 25 she was in USA. So in the month of August, you will only take 25 days. Nobody has interrupt in between. So that's why I was asking you again and again. So 27 days for June, 31 days for July, and 25. Why 25? Because on 26 she's back in India. So till 25 of August, she was in United States of America. So when you will add all these 3 days, you will get the total number of days for which she was in United States. So everybody has got this 83 answer. Okay. All right. Now the next question. How many hours are there in 1 week? It's a difficult question. You know that 1 week has 7 days, right? But hours is a little difficult calculation. So can I see in the chat box if anybody calculated, and then I'll explain it to you. So I'm giving you 1 minute to do. First you try and then I'll explain. Just try once. Any answer? Oh, Manit, absolutely correct. 168 hours. Oh, this class is brilliant. Everybody know that. Lovely. Okay, now let me explain those who are not. Yes, very good. So everybody know that one day has 24 hours and 1 week. Oh, sorry, which was? One day has 24 hours and 1 week has 7 days. So if I multiply my 7 by 24, I will get the number of hours. So 168 hours are there in 1 week. Clear? Okay. Now this question. Now, if we have to write 22 days in terms of week, how we are going to write? Now, as you know that 1 week has 7 days, right? And if I ask you 2 weeks, 2 weeks have 14 days. Use the eraser. 14 days. Oh, sorry. Let me use my pen again. Okay. So that means 7 days will make 1 week. Okay. 14 days will give me 2 weeks. And 21 days will give me 3 weeks. But I have 22 days. So there is 1 extra day. So what do you think? Which is the best option which is representing this? Anybody who can tell? Just write the option in the chat box. C. No, C is not the correct answer. 3 1 upon 7. Yes, Jishnu, that's correct. It is B. 3 1 by 7. 3 1 by 7. This 3 means 3 weeks. And 1 by 7 means 1 week is 1 day is extra out of 7 days. So 3 1 upon 7. 3 represent weeks 1 represent 1 extra day out of 7 days. Clear? Okay, now see this question 5. Now this question 5 is, if I'm asking you that Independence Day in 1994, Independence Day means 15th August. So if 15th August in 1994 was on Monday, then which of the following dates will be Sunday? Now the dates are given to you. Dates are given to you and you have to tell me out of these dates, which date will come as Sunday. Somebody is writing the chat box. You know the answer. Anybody who know the answer? Okay, now let me make a chart for you. Now you know that this is August, right? If I make a calendar for August, I'll start with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now 15th August is Monday. So if I put 15 August here, and if I add 7 to it, I will get the next Monday, which is 22. Understanding? If I add plus 7 again, I will get the next Sunday, next Monday, right? And this is 30 and this is 31. Now my August is finished. Now let us come to the month of September. Now September again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now, if I add 7 here, so I will not, this is 29. If I add 7 here, so I won't be getting the number for September, the date. So what I'll do, I will just add 2 here and I will reach this place. Now here I will add plus 5. So on adding plus 5, where will I reach? I will reach 5th of September. Yes or no? See, this is Tuesday, Wednesday 2 already gone. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then I have 8, 9. Oh, sorry. Thursday, sorry. I'm just erasing it. This is okay. Now I'm making it again. Okay. Now see. I don't have to start with Monday. I have to start with Thursday. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now 5. Have you understood why I have got 5th here? So I have reached here 5th of September. Now if I add plus 7 to this, I will again reach 12th. Now if I add 7 to it, I'll reach 19. Now you can see the options. 1st September is not at all, right? Is not at all the Sunday, because we are starting 1st September from Thursday. So this is wrong. 10th of September is also, we are not getting 10th of September as Sunday, right? So this is also incorrect. Now see, 19th we are on Monday. So of course 18th September will be Sunday. Got it? So this is the correct option, 18th September. Understood? Understood? Can I see the thumbs ups? Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's see this question. Now 14th February 1984 was Tuesday, long time back. Okay. Now they are asking you the next year, 1985, the next year, and a day prior to 14 February, 13 February. Now for understanding this, you need to understand a very important concept of odd days and even days that I've already told you, but I'll tell you again. I have told you that 1 year has 52 weeks and 365 days. This I have told you. Now in this 52 weeks and we have one extra day, right? And in one leap year, we have 52 weeks and plus 2 days extra, right? So we can say that one normal year, when 1 day is extra, this is odd. And when 2 days are extra, this is even number. Correct? Now, first we have to find out whether 1984 was a leap year or not. Check 1984 is a leap year. Quickly check it. 1984, is it a leap year? Yes. Yes, very good. It is a leap year. So in leap year, we have 2 extra days. Correct? So now what you are going to do, just add in Tuesday 2 extra days. So when you will add 2 extra days in Tuesday, you will reach what? Thursday? But we don't need 14th February. We need 13th February. So prior to this is Wednesday. So Wednesday is the answer. Okay? All right. Now let's see this question. This is very easy. So I would like you to try this. 1 minute for you to try and then I'll tell the answer. That's a very, very simple question. But you must be knowing what is quarter past, quarter to, half past. Krisha, do you know quarter past, half past? Jishnu, Sarab, Rishi, everybody know that? Kaira, Tanne, Shane, and Sabila. Okay, I can see the thumbs ups. Dev, you're continuously talking to someone. Are you understanding? Dev, okay. Dripta, okay, thank you. You have to calculate the time in hours and minutes both. Okay, so quarter past means quarter past 9 means 9:15 a.m. in the morning. That's why I'm writing a.m. Okay, now from this time to half past 2. Half past means 2:30. Afternoon means p.m. So in between this, you have to find out the time duration or the period of time. So in such questions, the easiest way to do is to break down this into different slabs. So if I write 9:15 a.m. to 10 a.m. to make it a round clock. So you know that this is 45 minutes. And from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. we have 4 hours, like 10 to 11, 11 to 2, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, and 1 to 2. And then we have 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m., which is 30 minutes. This breaking down, have you understood how I have breakdown into different times? This is my entire time. I have break down this time in 3 slots. Now I will add all these slots. So I will get 4 hours and 75 minutes. But you know that 1 hour has only 60 minutes. So there cannot be any time which is 75 minutes, right? So what are we going to do? We will split this into 2 sections. One is 16 minutes and one is 15 minutes. Now 16 minutes means 1 hour. So I will add here 1 hour. So 4 plus 1 will give me 5 hours and 15 minutes is remaining here. So 15 minutes. So which option is correct? 5 hours, 15 minutes. Which option is correct? D. Very good. Lovely. Understood? Any doubt? Okay. Now, this is again a question. School vacations are beginning from 14th of April 1996 Okay, everybody know that vacations happen in summer vacations, winter vacations, autumn break, right? Now, this time the school vacations are beginning from 14th April to 12th of June. In the first question, I have told you to make the slabs. So first, I will write the months which are coming in between the vacations. So April is coming, May is coming, and June is coming. Now it is beginning from 14th April. Okay, an entire the month we have holidays, so that means 30 days for the May, entire are holidays. Now we need to see how many days we need to include for April and June. To 10th of June it is there. So now in this case today we will include 10 June. Okay, so it will be 10 days because the school is opening from 11th till 10 you are having your holidays only. So now everybody know how many days are in April? 30. So 30 minus 14. 30 minus 14, what you are going to get? Write down in the chat box. 30 minus 14. 16. So 16 plus 1 because we have to include this 14th also, which is the day for our beginning holiday. So that will be 17. So now add all these dates. 17 plus 30 plus 10. So what are you going to get? 57 days. So my holidays are for 57 days. Understood? Jasleen, you are not opening the camera. So I have no idea whether you are listening on it. Aditya, clear. Sambhavi, Manit, clear. Okay, thank you. Thank you that you are showing me thumbs up with a smile. Thank you. Okay. Now this was question 8. Now let's move to question 9. Okay, let me take some other questions. Okay, first take this question. Question 11. Let us do question 11 first. Which of the following is the greatest period of time? You have to find out the interval, okay? You have to find out the interval. You can write it in the chat box. Shania, you want to ask something, but I cannot unmute you. You have to write it, type it. You can't type. You can type. Okay, the answer is correct, 58 days. No. Didn't understand. Write down in the chat box. You want me to do some other question? Previous question? Which question? 31. 31 question. This one. Okay, you want to write it down? You want to write something in the chat box? Shania is saying A is the answer. Shania, why A is the answer? We are not including this. We are not including this 14th. See, April has 30 days. Oh, I'm so sorry. 31 days. Absolutely correct. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, for that reason, 58 days. Thank you so much. Nobody has corrected this. Very good, Shania. That means you are listening to me very carefully. Lovely. Okay, we were at this question. Okay, now do this question. Which of the following is the greatest period of time? Greatest means the longer duration, the longer duration. So from 7:15 a.m. to 8:10 a.m. What's the time? How many minutes? 45 or 40 or 50? Quickly write down in the chat box. I'm waiting. Is it 45 minutes, 40 minutes, 30 minutes? I don't need the answer. I just need I just need the time. Is how many minutes? 45, 55, 65. How many minutes? 55. Okay. Now I'll tell you. So from 7:15, first we will reach 8 a.m. So till 8 a.m. we have 45 minutes. And then from 8 to 8:10, we have 10 minutes. So that makes total 55 minutes. Yes, you all were correct. Okay, now let's see the B part. Now from B, 12 noon to quarter to 1. Quarter to 1 means 12:45. So this has 45 minutes. B has 45 minutes. Now let's come to C. C is quarter past 7 a.m. Quarter past 7 a.m. means 7:15 a.m. in the morning to half past 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Again, how many minutes? Quarter past 7 means 7:15. Half past means 8:30. So how many minutes? Write down in the chat box. 8:30, how many minutes? Are you writing? Shania has written 75. Anybody else who wants to write? Or should I lock it? See, from 7:40, Krisha is saying 45. It's 8:30, Krisha. It's 8:30, not 8. Yes. From 7:15 to 8, we have 45. Then 45 plus 30, that means 75 minutes. Absolutely correct. And this is only 40 minutes. Of course, C is the longer duration. Okay. Okay, now see this question. Now see this question. Which of the following months, 3 days occur 5 times? 3 days. I have told you that there are 4 weeks in 1 month. So 4 weeks means how many times a day is coming? 4 times. Monday will come 4 times. Tuesday will come 4 times. But in which month a day can come? 3 days occur 5 times. 3 days. Let make a, which month you want me to make a calendar? C. Somebody is saying C. Any other answer? Aditya, C. Jishnu is saying D. Sanvi is saying A. Any other answer? Everybody is saying A, B, C, D. Any other answer? Use your mind. Use your brain. Use your brain. See, I'm making a calendar for you. Let us make a calendar. See, read the question very carefully because there cannot be so many answers. In which of the following months, these are the months given, and you have to find out 3 days that occur 5 times. So it has to be a 31 day. November has how many days? 30. June has how many days? 30. February has either 29 or 28, and August has 31 days. Now let us make a calendar for August. And let's see whether we are getting the answer, and then we'll make a calendar for June also. I can be wrong, I can be right, but you have to find out the answer on your own so that it can be clear to you, right? Now, for example, I'm starting with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Now, if I'm starting my August, let's say from 1st, 2, 3, Thursday. Now, I'm just completing and you will tell me Now see, which days are coming. 3 days occur 5 times. Quickly see which days are coming 5 days, 5 times. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Because we have entered the 5th week. Got it? So August is the day in which we are getting Thursday is coming 5 times. Friday is coming 5 times. Saturday is coming 5 times. Got it? So whenever you have 31 days, that means 28 days will make 4 weeks and we have 3 extra days. Now that 3 extra days can make a day 5 times so that it will come in next week also. Okay. Now we are winding up our session here only. Okay. Now in case if you have any doubts in the next class, whenever we'll meet, we can take your doubts and we can start the session. Okay. So you all know. Wait. Okay. So now if you do not have any doubt, you can leave the class. Thank you for attending the class. Have a nice day. Good night, everyone. Bye. Good night, Kyra. Good night. Kyra, you have a very nice smile. See you in the class. Bye. Bye, Tane.